Welcome to Vanindin Academy. If you're thinking about going solar but not sure if it's right for you, this video will clear things up. Today we're breaking down the essential tips to help you know if you're the best candidate for solar installation, whether you're a homeowner, a renter, or just exploring your options. Let's get started. First, the most ideal candidate for solar is a homeowner with a sunny roof. If you own your home and your roof gets a good amount of sunlight for at least 5 to 6 hours a day, you're already a strong candidate. South-facing or west-facing roofs work best in most parts of the world, but east-facing can still be effective. Next, consider your electricity bill. If you're paying high electricity rates, let's say over $80 to $100 a month, solar panels can give you excellent long-term savings. The higher your bill, the faster your return on investment. Also, think about your roof condition. If your roof is new or has at least 10 to 15 years of life left, you're in a great position. Installing solar on an old roof might require you to remove and reinstall the system later, which can be costly. Another great candidate is someone who plans to stay in their home for at least 5 years. Solar is a long-term investment. The longer you stay in the home, the more value you'll get. Most systems pay for themselves in 4 to 7 years and continue saving you money for 20 years or more. Are you in an area with strong solar incentives or net metering? That's another major factor. If your local utility company offers credits for excess energy sent back to the grid, solar becomes even more cost-effective. State and federal tax credits also reduce your upfront costs significantly. You're also a great candidate if you want more energy independence or plan to add a battery backup. Solar plus batteries can help protect your home from power outages, rising energy prices, and even give you backup during emergencies. Now, who might not be the best candidate? If you're renting, have a heavily shaded roof, or your electricity bills are already very low, solar may not offer the best return yet, but community solar or portable solar generators might still work for you. Here's a quick checklist to help you decide if you're a strong candidate for solar. You own your home, your roof gets plenty of sunlight, your electricity bill is high, your roof is in good condition. You plan to stay in your home long term. You live in an area with solar incentives. You want more energy control and backup power. If you checked most of those boxes, congratulations, you're likely a great fit for solar. Thanks for watching Vanindin Academy. If you found this helpful, be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more easy-to-understand solar tips. And let us know in the comments. Are you ready to go solar?